Welcome back friends, and in your smartphone, any Android mobile, if you are facing mobile network related issues, battery draining issues, I am going to tell you 2-3 methods which you can implement and you can see the results. You can, if you feel better improved performance, then please do consider to subscribe this channel. So not wasting much of your time, the very first thing, go to the setting, search for reset. Here reset network settings, then reset network settings. This will reset all network settings including those for Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth. What will happen if there is any mistake in setting for Bluetooth, mobile data or Wi-Fi? This will reset to that setting to original one, and believe that many of the times many users have told that they have felt considerable amount of difference in the performance after reset settings. Just turn on the give the pattern, and now all setting will be reset. This section cannot be reset. Remember, only Wi-Fi passwords or any passwords you have to re-enter that, nothing else will go. So this was the first thing. Then just in the setting, just go to the developer option. How to enable, I have already made a video. Go to the about phone, go to the build number, then go to the software information, go to the build number, enables, tap it 7 times. Because I am already a developer, this is saying no need, and then go back to the root of the setting and you will find here. If you are not finding here, just search developer here and you will go to the developer option. In developer option, what you need to check, just go to the Wi-Fi scan throttling. This will reduce the battery drain and improve the network performance. Just turn it on. So this was the first setting, and then the second was I think this will improve. Okay, now you can also Windows animation scale, transition animation scale, and animate this during scale. This you have to select to 0.5x. After doing these settings, you can feel the difference. If you find this video useful, please do consider to subscribe this channel. Thank you very much.